Defective ones from years ago.
One eternity later.
Okay, now I've replaced the motherboard.
This whole board, right? So
Yeah.
we replace the whole board together with
The
this. So
whole
this one
thing.
too is brand new, right?
Yeah, this one.
So don't touch it.
So like, nice the moment of truth.
Now we will find out if it's working or not. Okay, anyway, the reason why we replaced the motherboard with another motherboard is that we need this high voltage what do you call this? High voltage supply, power supply to supply the
Printer.
roller, the drum roll. Okay, moment of truth. Try. There's something on top inside. In photocopy.
So we try.
Okay, that's it.
So now
Done.
it's okay.
So what are you gonna say to your fans?
I'm really
Let's see. So are you happy now? Are you happy that we have solved the problem?
yes.
Okay, good. So next time we're gonna solve more problems. Huh? Okay, bye. Say bye to your.
problems.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put back the cover and that's it, right? And bring it back, huh? Okay. So where's the backup ones? The faulty ones. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna email the boss now. Bye.
See ya next time.